Installing three-way and four-way switches so that all switches are in the down position when the load is off is a common practice among electricians. This configuration provides several advantages, including enhanced safety, increased convenience, and improved aesthetics. Firstly, safety is a paramount concern in electrical work. When the load is off and no power is flowing to the fixture or appliance, the risk of electrical fires and shocks is significantly reduced. This is particularly important in areas where moisture or other hazards are present. Secondly, convenience plays a significant role in user experience. It can be more convenient to turn off a light or appliance by simply flipping all the switches to the down position rather than having to remember which switch controls the load. This is especially useful in complex lighting systems with multiple control points. Thirdly, aesthetics can also be a factor. Some people prefer the uniform look of having all the switches in the down position when the load is off, creating a cleaner and more organized appearance. It is important to understand that there is no specific code requirement mandating this particular wiring configuration for three-way and four-way switches. The decision of how to wire the switches is ultimately left to the electrician's professional judgment. However, it is crucial to be aware of the trade-offs involved. If the switches are wired so that the load is off when all the switches are in the down position, then the switches will not be able to control the load when they are in the up position. This might be an undesirable outcome for some users. To understand the intricacies of wiring three-way and four-way switches in this manner, it is helpful to review the basic principles of these switching systems. A three-way switch allows you to control a light or appliance from two different locations. It has three terminals, a common terminal and two traveler terminals. The common terminal is connected to the power source or the load, while the traveler terminals are connected to the corresponding terminals on the other three-way switch. A four-way switch is used in conjunction with two three-way switches to control a light or appliance from three or more locations. It has four terminals, all of which are traveler terminals. The traveler terminals of the four-way switch are connected to the traveler terminals of the three-way switches. When wiring three-way and four-way switches so that the load is off when all the switches are in the down position, the electrician must carefully consider the connections between the switches and the load. One common approach is to wire the switches so that the power flows through the traveler wires only when all the switches are in the up position. This can be achieved by strategically placing the hot wire and the neutral wire in a circuit. However, the specific wiring configuration will depend on the specific layout of the switches and the load. It is important to note that wiring three-way and four-way switches can be complex and potentially dangerous. It is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician before attempting to wire these switches yourself. A qualified electrician will have the knowledge and experience to ensure that the switches are wired correctly and safely. Furthermore, it is essential to comply with all applicable electrical codes and regulations. These codes are designed to protect people and property from electrical hazards. Ignoring these codes can result in serious injury or property damage. When working with electricity, always take the following precautions. Firstly, turn off the power at the circuit breaker before working on any electrical wiring. Secondly, use insulated tools to avoid electrical shock. Thirdly, wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from debris. Fourthly, never work on electrical wiring when you are wet or standing in water. Fifthly, double-check your work before turning the power back on. By following these precautions, you can minimize the risk of electrical shock and other hazards. In summary, wiring three-way and four-way switches so that all switches are in the down position when the load is off is a common practice that offers several advantages, including enhanced safety, increased convenience, and improved aesthetics. However, it is important to be aware of the trade-offs involved and to comply with all applicable electrical codes and regulations. When in doubt, always consult with a qualified electrician.